BNP Women's Wing in Kalia gears up for upcoming election, a gathering enthusiasm and unity. The Women's Wing of the Bangladesh Nationalist Party held a workers' meeting in Kalia, Norail. The event took place on Monday, October 13, at the College Para area of Ward Number 4 under Kalia Municipality. Organized by the Municipal Unit of the Women's Wing, District BNP President Bishar Jahangir Alam attended the meeting as the chief guest. Also present were Josna Begum, President of Kalia Municipal Women's Wing, Irani Begum, Vice President, and Monira Khanum Moni, General Secretary. Among others, Upazila BNP General Secretary Shama Wahiduzzaman Milu and Municipal BNP President Sheikh Selim Hussain joined the program. Addressing the gathering, Jahangir Alam urged all party members to stay united ahead of the upcoming national election. We must work together to ensure the victory of the paddy chef symbol, he said. He further emphasized that in Norail on constituency, female voters outnumber male voters, highlighting the vital role of women in the next election. The district BNP leader also shouted votes in favor of the paddy chef and pledged to work for the empowerment and advancement of the women in the coming days.